Hello students, today I am going to discuss class 10th mathematics probability. Okay, this video is on playing cards. Okay, now how to be playing cards, how could we find the probability of the playing cards. Playing cards, playing cards, that is called cards, another word is suits. Okay, now question it is, which type of cards are there? One, it is like this. This is called spade. S-P-A-D-E. This is black in color. Okay. Second, it is club. Like this, it is figure is designed. That is called club. Club. This is called club. It is also black color. Now, some more colors are there. It is heart. All of you know heart. It is red in color. Red. And now one it is diamond. Diamond. It is also red in color. Yes. Now there are how many types of card? There are this is 4 type of card, and all 4 type of card are with the 13 different type of cards. That is called ace, king, queen, jack. Okay, and then after that 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, all the number. So ace, king, queen, jack, they are types of honor card. Honors card, they are very powerful cards are there. Okay, the honor card coming ace, king, queen, jack. Jack. Okay, they are called honor card. So how many cards are there? Ace card, spade, ace card, club, ace card, heart, ace card, diamond. And an ace card has all 4 cards. King card also have 4 cards. Queen cap also have 4 cards. Jack card also have 4 cards. So how many honor cards? 4 into 4, 16 cards are there. Okay. Now face card. Face card. Face card where face is present. The king face, queen face, and jack face. And already we know that all have 4 cards. King all have, queen all have, jack all have. So 3 into 4, total 12 cards are there. Clear? Now number card. Number card how much? Number card are total how much? Number card are there 10 all 4 card, 9 all 4 card, 8 all 4 card, 7 all 4 card, 6 all 4 card, and till 2 all 4 card. Okay. So here with the number considered 10, 9, dot 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 3, 2. From here to there. So how many numbers are there? 1 to 10 if you say the 10 number, but here it is 2 to 10. So 9 numbers. 9 number also have 4 cards. 9 for your 36 cards. Okay. Now the question is coming, how many ace card? Ace has 4 card. So you write here 4. King also have 4 card. You also write here 4. Queen also have 4 card. Also write here 4. Jack also have 4 card. Also write here 4. 10 also have 4 card. Also write here 4. एक मिनट सर वीडियो बना रहा है. This is also have 4. 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 All have 4 cards. Okay. Now spade how many types? Ace, king, queen, jack. Total how many cards? 13 cards. The spade has 13 card. Jack has, club has 13 card. Heart has 13 card. And diamond has 13 cards. Okay. Now ace how many cards? Ace how many black card? 2. Ace 2 black card. King has 2 black card. Okay. Queen has also 2 black cards. So there are how many cards are there? 13 cards are there. That all 13 has 2 black cards. The number of black cards equal to how much? 13 into 2, 26. Okay. Now the topic it is how many red card. Ace has 2 red card. King has 2 red card. Queen has 2 red card. Jack has 2 red card. Also, everyone has 2 red card. So how many red card there? 13 into 2, also 26. Okay. Before discussion, we have to discuss how many total cards are there. So Ace has all 4 cards. King has also 4 cards. Queen has also 4 cards. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards are there. So total cards are there 13 for the 52 cards. Clear, my dear? Like this. This is the total introduction of playing cards. Clear? Suppose a question is coming, all face cards are removed. All face cards are removed. So how many face cards are there? 12 cards are there. So all 12 cards are removed. What is the probability of a 10 spade? So 10 has how many spade? 1 spade. 10 has how many spade? 1 spade. If all face cards are removed, that means 12 cards are removed. So out of 52, if you remove 12, 40 cards are remaining. So what is the probability of 10 spade out of 40 cards? The 10 has only 1 spade, so 1 by 40 is the probability of 10 spade. Okay. Now question is coming, what is the probability of blue card? What is the probability of black card? The black card how many? 26 black card are there. The probability of black card 26 by how many are there? Okay. In 26 card, face card red remove. Okay, face card. How many face card? 12 face card. In 12 face card, 6 are black and 6 are red. Okay. So now we have to find the probability of how many, what is the probability of black card. So 26 minus 6, 20 black card are present. So what is the probability? 20 by 40, that means 1 by 2. What is the question? What is the probability of black card? As we know that there are total 12 face card. Out of this, 6 black, 6 red. So if you remove 6 black, so 26 minus 6, 20 black card are present. So if you have to present 20 black card, so what is the probability of black card? 20 by remaining card is 40. So 20 by 40, that means 1 by 2. Okay. Now some more questions are coming like this. What is the probability of a 53 Fridays? What is the probability of a 53 Friday? In a year, in 1 year. Okay? So there are 2 type of concept is there, leap year, and another concept is there, non-leap year. Leap year, another concept is there, non-leap year. Okay. If it is leap year, so how many days are there? 366. If it is non-leap year, how many days are there? 365. Okay. Now the concept is there. In leap year, 366 days, and non-leap year, 365 days. So if it is divided by 7, so we just look 7 5 ja 35, and there it is 7 2 ja 14, then 2 remaining. Okay. The 52 weeks are confirmed. In these 2 days, what is the probability of coming Friday? In 2 days, Friday has like this pair, Friday, Saturday, one pair, and another pair is there, Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Friday. So if we have to find the probability of 53 Friday, so either this one happens or that one happens, and 2 different things can be happened out of 7 days. The probability of a 53 Fridays in leap year, it will be how much? 2/7. Okay. Now here if you do the 7 divided 365 5 times, and here it will be 2 times, 1 remaining. It can be Friday, Okay, so probability of Friday है ना in a non-leap year, in a non-leap year, non-leap year. Okay, 53 Friday. How many Friday? Probability of how many Friday? 53. Okay, 53 number of Friday in non-leap year, it will be 1/7. Clear? Like this. Similarly, what is the possibility of birthday of two friends on the same day? So it may be 1st January, they have the birthday. Okay, so in leap year it will be 1/366, the birthday on the same day, and in non-leap year 1/365. If the birthday on different day, then it may be 365/366 in the leap year and 364/365 in the non-leap year. Okay, so like this way we can find. Okay, my dear, I'm going to stop my video. Thank you.